Dear students, when you substitute the point, if you get both the number values with same sign, if both are positive, and same side means when you substitute the point in the line, you should get either both should be positive or both should be negative. Both should give you same sign. And this is the line. Line we call it as ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So point -2 -1. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll continue with straight lines. So now exercise 17.7. Show that the points 5, -1, -3, 4 lie on either sides of the line 6x minus 5y plus 1 equal to 0. They want you to prove this points, 2 points lie on either sides. See, for any line, if I draw a line, so line will have two sides. This is side 1, this is side 2. The points may lie on same side or they may lie on opposite sides. So now they want you to prove either sides. Dear students, when you substitute the point, if you get both the number values with same sign, if both are positive, they lie on same side. If both are negative, they lie on same sides. If both are opposite sign, they lie on different sides. So step 1 is simple. Substitute. What you should do? Substitute point in the line equation. In the line equation. When you do this, you will get a number. So to get n means number. Case 1. n1 line equations, two line equations. n1 and n2. Case 1. If n1 value and n2 value both are positive, or both may be negative, both are negative, means both you may get positive or both you may get negative, then points lie on same side. Points lie on same side. Points lie on same side. Same side. Both the points belongs to same side. Either side means what? On the opposite side. If n1 and n2 number values are of opposite signs or of opposite signs. Opposite signs means one positive and one negative. Any one point gives you positive value, the other point gives you negative value, then they lie on opposite side. Then they lie on opposite sides. Now, so they're asking you, show that the points 5, -1 and -3, 4 lie on either sides. You need to prove the point lie on either sides of this line. So now we'll put the point. So now put 5, -1 in line equation. Then 6 times 5 in the place of x, put this -5 times -1 plus 1. 6 5s are 30. In LHS you put, that's it. Minus into minus plus 5 plus 1. 30 plus 5, 35, 36. You got positive number. Now put the other line in LHS. Put the other point. What is the other point? -3, 4 in line equation. In line LHS. Left hand side. That is 6x minus 5y plus 1. In that you put x coordinate. X coordinate is -3. Minus 5 into y coordinate 4 plus 1. Minus 18 minus 20 plus 1. Minus 38. Minus 18 minus 20 becomes minus 38. It will become minus 37. See, one we have positive, one we have negative. They are of opposite signs. They are of opposite signs. If you get opposite signs, they lie on either sides. Since, therefore, points lie on either sides of the line. of the line. Means if line is like this, one point will be here, other point will be here on either sides. How can I decide either sides? Because when you put first point, you will get positive sign. When you put next point, you will get negative sign. So when you put the one of the point 5 minus 1, I am getting positive 36. When I am putting minus 34, I am getting negative. So both are of opposite signs. If you get opposite signs, when you substitute the point, then we say the line lies on either sides. And similarly, they will ask, prove that this point 0, 0 and 1 minus 1 lie on same side. Lie on same side means when you substitute the point in the line, you should get either both should be positive or both should be negative. Both should give you same sign. So now put 0, 0 in LHS of the line. First, line should be in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 in LHS of line equation. What is the line equation? 4x minus 7y plus 1. In the place of x and y, put x coordinate and y coordinate. So 4 into 0 minus 7 into 0 plus 1. That is 0 minus 0 plus 1. That is 1. So you are getting positive 1. Then put 1 comma minus 1 in LHS of line. That is 4x minus 7y plus 1. That is 4 into 1 minus 7 into minus 1 plus 1. 4 plus 7 plus 1. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. So dear students, this is positive and this is also giving you positive. So both are positive. So both are giving you same sign. So therefore, points lie on same side. On same side of the line. How can I decide they lie on the same side of the line? Because so means both may be on the same side, below or above. So how can I decide they lie on the same side? Because the numbers what you got, both are positive. If you get both positive or both negative, they lie on same side. If you get one positive and negative, they lie on either sides. That's it. I hope you got this. So dear students, I have done A and D. B, C you should do by yourself. Same technique. Now, exercise 17.8. They are asking you to find length of perpendicular drawn from the point. You need to find length of perpendicular drawn from the point. They will give a point. From the point we call it as x1, y1, and they will give a line and you should draw perpendicular, its length. I can also call this length of perpendicular as distance of the point from the line. And line is what? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Always write the line in the general form. And to find the distance of the point from the line or length of this perpendicular, we have a formula. What is the formula? D is equal to modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. This is the distance of the point from line or length of perpendicular. Both means same. They may give point and line, they'll ask you to find distance of point from line. Or they'll give point and line, they'll ask you to find length of perpendicular from the point to the line. Both means same. What is the formula? Modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. A, B, C are available in line and the given point is x1, y1. Substitute the values, you will get it. Now, I'll take one problem as sample. So now find the length of perpendicular from the point minus 2, minus 1. The point we call it as x1, y1 and line A, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the line. So they gave a point and they gave a line and they want you to find length of perpendicular. Length of perpendicular, I told you the formula. If this is the point is, we call point as x1, y1 and this is the line we call it as ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So point minus 2, minus 1, line 4x plus 3y minus 5. Now length of perpendicular formula. What is the length of perpendicular? D is equal to modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c. Modulus because length cannot be negative by root of a square plus b square. So modulus of ax1, substitute. What is a? From the line, quotient of x is a is 4, b is 3, c is minus 5. So 4 into minus 2 plus b. What is b? b is 3. 3 into minus 1 plus c. c is minus 5 is divided modulus divided by root of a square plus b square. 4 square plus 3 square. Simplify this. So d is equal to minus 8 minus 3 minus 5 modulus divided by 16 plus 9. So minus 8 minus 3 is minus 11, minus 11 minus 5 is minus 16, modulus divided by root 25. See, modulus means if it is negative, make it positive, because distance or length cannot be negative. So modulus of minus 16 means positive 16 divided by root 25 is 5. 16 by 5 units. Dear students, if I give mod minus 5 means 5. Mod of 5 is also 5. So modulus means absolute value. If it is negative, make it positive. If it is positive, leave it as positive. That's it. Now 16 by 5 units is the length of perpendicular, or 16 by 5 units is the distance of this point from the line. Both are same. Then similarly, second type. So dear students, I have done A, B, C, D. They gave for you to practice. Use the same formula. Memorize the formula. Modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. Formula is simple. Put the point x1, y1 in the line equation, that is numerator. Denominator, root of a square plus b square. Substitute it and check your values. Now, second type of problem. Find k. They wanted to find k so that distance of 2, 3 from this line is 4 units. Here they gave distance by themselves. They wanted to find the unknown called k. So we'll take the line equation. Line equation is 8x plus 15y plus k. From this, a is quotient of x 8, b is quotient of y 15, c is k. We got a, b, c. Now the point they gave 2, 3. Call it as x1, y1. Distance, they gave distance also. Distance is what? 4 units. This is given. Now substitute them in the formula. What is the formula? D is equal to modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. Distance of point from the line and length of perpendicular, both are same. So now D, you know, it is 4. Modulus of A, what is A? 8. X1, what is X1? 2 plus B, B is 15. Y1, what is Y1? Y1 value is 3 plus C, C is K divided by root of A square plus B square. 8 square plus 15 square under root. Now 4 is equal to 8 to the 16 plus 15 into 3, 45 plus K divided by 8 square is 64, 15 square is 225 under root, sorry. We got this, simplify this. So, and here we have modulus. You should not forget modulus. Because of modulus, we will get two values. I'll write RHS. 16 plus 45 plus K modulus divided by root of, add this. So 225 plus 60, 285, 285 plus 4, 289 is equal to RHS distance. What is the distance? 4. So 45 plus 16, 55, 61, 61 plus K divided by root 289. Root 289 is 17 is equal to 4. Transfer 17 to that side. 61 plus K under modulus is equal to 4 into 17. 17 4s are 7 4s are 28 and 68. So 61 plus K modulus, you'll get 68. From here it is important. See, modulus means when you remove modulus, the other side you should put plus or minus. So modulus 61 plus K is equal to, we have 68. If you remove modulus, it will be 61 plus K. When you remove modulus, the other side you should put plus or minus 68. Now solve for K. So split it into 2. So 61 plus K, you take positive 68, and same 61 plus K, you take negative 68. Simplify this. So K becomes 68 minus 61. So K will be 7. One of the value of K is 7. The other possible values, 61 plus K is equal to minus 68 minus 61, and K will be minus 129. So you will get, therefore, K value, K may be 7 or K may be minus 129. For two values, the distance gives you same, that is 4. Here many people will not do from here properly. What they'll do, they'll take 61 plus k positive only. But when you remove, see this is modulus. When you remove modulus, the other side you should not forget to put plus or minus. Once you take positive 68 and solve, you'll get k. Once you take negative 68 and solve, you'll get k. This is most important. Then show that this point 1, 2 is equidistant from these two lines. There is a point. You should prove that it is equidistant, means distance of this point from both the lines should be same. So I'll take case 1. So now first we'll find distance of first point. Distance of 1, 2 from first line. What is the first line? 4x minus 3y plus 7. So D is equal to what? ax1 plus by1 plus c modulus divided by root of a square plus b square. Use the formula and substitute it. So D is modulus of ax1. 4 into x1 is, this point is x1, y1, all of you know. 4 into 1 plus b. B is what? Minus 3 into y1 is 2 plus c. C is 7 by root of a square plus b square under root. So D is modulus of 4 minus 6 plus 7 divided by 16 plus 9 under root. So that is 7 plus 4, 11, 11 minus 6, or 7 minus 6 is 1 plus 4, 5 divided by root 25. Root 25 is also 5, 5 by 5. So 5 by 5 is 1. So distance of the point from first line we got 1. So D is 1, D1 I call it as. So let us call it as D1, distance of the point from first line. D2, now distance of same point. What is the point? Point they give 1, 2 from second line. What is the second line they give? 5x plus 12y. 5x plus 12y is equal to 16. Bring it to LHS. Minus 16 equal to 0. So bring this 16 to LHS. So it will become minus 16 equal to what? 0. Now you know how to find distance. So I use the term D2. D2 is modulus of same ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. This is modulus straight line. So a is what? 15. X1 is 1 plus b is what? 12. Y1 is 2. Plus c means plus of minus is minus 16 divided by root of 15 square plus 12 square. Now numerator 15 plus 12 2s are 24 minus 16 modulus divided by 15 square is 225 plus 12 square is 144. This is 5x given. So here it is 5, here it is 5. So now 5 square. 5 square is what? 25. Simplify this. So D2 is equal to 24 plus 5, 29. 29 minus 16 is 13. Modulus of 13 divided by root 169. So modulus of positive 13 is 13. Root 169 is also 13. 13 by 13 gives you 1. So therefore D1 and D2 both are same. So D1 we got 1. D2 also we got 1. So D1 and D2 is same. So therefore the point, the given point, what is the given point? The given point is 1, 2 is equidistant from given lines. That's the conclusion. I hope all of you got this. So then today's class I taught you, if I give 2 points, you can decide whether they lie on same side or opposite side, seeing their signs. And I taught you how to find distance of point from line, or we say length of perpendicular. Please revise this. I'll see you in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.